Hello princesses! Today I'm going to be talking about the Missha Twin Brow Kit. I picked this up because I'm looking for a replacement for my Etude House brow kit because I'm almost out of the dark brown colour that I have been using. So I thought that this one might be a good one to try. Ideally I'm looking for a product that only has maybe one colour, like I'd love just a single one eyeshadow colour because I don't need two. But that just seems really impossible to find, so I thought maybe two would be okay. I got this in the darker shade, which was number 2 grey brown. So for this one, the product description says, 2 colours make your eyebrows natural and clean. Compressed fine powder particles fill the empty space of eyebrows. 2-in-1 brush for delicate drawing is built in. The packaging of this product is really nice. It's very slim, compact, easy to use. There are 2 colours on the inside and it does come with a little brush that has 2 sides on each side and a big mirror. I feel like the packaging is really great for this one and I'm super happy with it. There are 2 colours in the compact, a lighter brown and a darker brown. Even though this is supposed to be number 2, which is grey brown, I feel like both of the colours are really warm toned, which is a shame because my hair is really cool toned, so I want cool toned grey or very dark brown eyebrows. So I'm going to be using the darker powder, of course, and I'm going to be using my General Zoeva brow line brush. This is the 322, and then I'm just going to fill in my brows. So with this sort of brow powder, I kind of feel like all I'm really doing is colouring in the skin underneath, which I don't mind at all. But the problem with this one is that even though it's supposed to be like a grey brown, it's kind of still quite warm toned brown, which my eyebrows are not. So when you can see the colour underneath, it does look kind of strange. I'm finding it really tough to get a really good colour for a replacement for my Etude House kit. I mean, I'd rebuy the Etude House one if it came with less things in it. It's just like I don't particularly need all 4 colours. So that is what my one brow looks like with the Missha Twin Brow Kit with the darkest shade. I think that it does look really nice and the brow powder is actually really good quality. I don't have any problems with the powder itself aside from the colour. So obviously this is what my brow looks like without any filling in, and then this is the one with the filled in colour. So overall for me, this is not the brow product of my dreams, unfortunately. It's nothing to do with the actual formula of the products because I feel like the formula works well. It's easy to apply, it lasts all day, it's pigmented, there's nothing wrong with that. I just don't think that the colour looks that good. I feel like the colour makes my brows look a little bit lighter and a little bit more warm toned than I would really like. So I would love some recommendations. What is your favourite very dark, very cool toned brow product? For example, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Granite, which is like, I think the darkest brown before black, I think at least. And that works really well. However, Anastasia products are really expensive. So if you have any similar colours in powder form, which is my favourite kind of brow product, I would love to hear about them. I know this was a super short review, but I couldn't really find any like pictures or anything of this. And if I had seen pictures or a video, I probably wouldn't have bought it. So this is for you guys who might be looking at this and thinking if you want it, if it's actually grey brown. It is not. But thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!